Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Bandhan Bank Limited. The stock is performing quite good nowadays because the Bank Nifty supports the stock's up move, but currently the stock is quite annoying because it shows a choppy move. So let me analyze the stock further in this technical chart. This is the technical chart. The bars are 1 month representators. So this is the monthly chart of Bandhan Bank. Let me draw the most important confluence area in this chart. This can be taken as the most confluence area, and the stock is currently below the confluence area. The stock tried to come up the confluence area, but the both attempts were failed, and now currently the stock, after hitting the major resistance here, it again started falling. But look at the candle here, it's a huge red candle with more than average volume, so it's a good bearish signal. But look at the follow up candle here, there is no red follow up candle and there is no bearishness in the stock, so it's not good to go short in such stocks. The stock is currently in a hands of bulls, so it's good to go long in such stocks. Now let us analyze the stock on weekly basis. On weekly basis, the stock shows a perfect repulsion at the resistance areas. Resistance areas are very powerful and the candles are very strong here, but once it reached the support level, it started bombarding to the other side of the support, but the candles are very choppy, so it's quite confusing. But I have found a swing trade opportunity in this stock. Now let us analyze the swing trade entry and exit in this stock. Before moving to the daily chart, I suggest you to subscribe to our channel so that you will get the videos published immediately, and make sure you hit the bell button so that you will get the notifications of the video once it published. So this is the daily chart of Bandhan Bank Limited. In daily chart, the stock technical chart shows a choppy market again, but fundamentally the stock is very strong. It has more than 40% of small loans, which is with good customers. The customers are mostly of middle class people, so the NPS is very easy to manage. So let me show the breakout target here. Look at here, the stock currently is trading out of the channel range, so it's good to take entry in this stock, but the entry should be only above the range of 310. 310 is the range. Above 310 range can be taken as the entry for the stock, and the first target can be placed above 360 levels, which is almost 18% from the entry price. Look at the candles here. The candles are quite weak here, but once it came out, it took a perfect retracement at the most important support level, and now the stock is heading higher, so it's good to go long in the stock. But go long only if the stock moves up and closes above the level of 210, and one can take first entry at 310 level, and target is at 360 range. This is the first target. Second target is at the range of 400, which is almost 30% upside from the current market price. This is the latest swing trade idea published in our channel. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you will get the instant notifications of the video published in our channel. And if you like the video, hit like button and share with your friends, and feel free to comment below your queries and questions, and please feel free to suggest any improvements in our channel. Thank you.